Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. What happens when you live in the country? Big things right out in front of your vehicles. And that's what happened to us last night. 28 years of driving and I never hit one before. Last night, massive deer. Let's check out the damage. It was a 4-point. I guess this doesn't look too bad, but everything's kind of caved in underneath. I'm trying not to get my license plate in the shot here, so I'm not giving you the full effect, but you know, a little damage up here, but everything is pretty well trashed behind there, and it actually knocked out the electronics on the dashboard, so that's not good. This is all destroyed. We got wires hanging. Yeah, that wire hanging right there. None of the suspension was actually messed up, which is cool. And as we went down the side of the vehicle, yeah, look at that, nasty. It completely flipped him around off the front end, flipped him around, and he hit the side door. It was a 4-point and caved in the door here. As you can see, splattered his head pretty good all along the side of the vehicle. And yeah, so this Explorer, you know, the 2005, it took it like a champ. I hit him at 70 miles an hour. Probably a little less than that because I did, for a brief second, catch a glimpse of him, and I hit the brake, but it was almost full force. Almost full force. And she took it, and she's drivable. Great job, Explorer. Good job, Ford. Anyway, I'm glad I wasn't driving a passenger car, or else that would have taken just a massive hit. And as you can see, my dog here, as he's sitting by my feet down here, thought it was funny to lick the blood off the side of the car last night. Nasty. Anyway, thought I'd share that with you. So I'm on my way to the repair shop because I obviously cannot do that myself, and it knocked out all the lights in the dashboard on the inside. I don't know how that happened, but whatever. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.